Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed. Welcomes you all on Pably. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to do marketing of your fashion and accessories shop using WhatsApp automatically, right? So guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you opt this method that I'm about to tell you in this video, it will surely convert your leads into your clients and customers. It will improve your profits and it will increase your sales. How? Let me tell you. Suppose that you are running a business of fashion and accessories and you have a shop in which you are selling fashionable products and accessories, and you have created a Facebook page for that shop so to market your business and connect with larger audiences, right? And you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So if any interested visitor visits your page and click on those Facebook lead ads, a Facebook lead ad form will open up, and if someone is interested in your business, he is going to fill that form and submit. You are going to generate a new lead out of that. So you want to share with that lead the brochure of your business on their WhatsApp accounts, right? Now to get this done, we have two ways. One way is that whenever you generate a new lead from Facebook lead ad forms, you are going to manually sort out the data and the details of that lead. Then you'll come here on WhatsApp and manually compile and type a very attractive message for that lead and attach your business's brochure with that message and send on their WhatsApp accounts, right? But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of leads on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and energy and will decrease your productivity. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when a new lead is generated here from Facebook lead ad form, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to that lead along with your business's brochure on the WhatsApp account of the lead. Yes guys, this can happen. And to make this happen, I am using a software here called as Pably Connect. So guys, Pably Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever a new lead is generated, a WhatsApp message along with your business's brochure get automatically delivered, right? And guys, the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge, so any non-technical person can also make this automation. Now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I have opened my Facebook page which I have created for my fashion and accessory shop. Okay, so this is a Facebook page I have created to market my business, and here we are running Facebook lead ads. Okay, so whenever any interested person visits our page and click on the lead ads, a Facebook lead ad form is attached here, you can see, and this form is going to be pop up in front of them, and if they fill this form and submit that form, we are going to send those leads a WhatsApp message here on the WhatsApp account of the leads along with the brochure of our business, right? So what I will show you here, I'm going to fill this form. Let me show you. This is the lead ad form attached with our Facebook lead ads. So let me just fill it quickly, and you can see I have filled this form here along with the WhatsApp number and the details. Now I'm going to click on next, okay, and submit. So this is how any interested person is going to submit this form. Okay, so you can see it's showing your test lead has been sent. Okay, so now we are going to check in the WhatsApp account of this person whose data I have filled, that if this WhatsApp account receives the message from our side along with the business's brochure or not. Okay, so Facebook uses polling technique to send the data to, so it might take 3 to 4 minutes to reach the WhatsApp message here. So we are going to wait for 3 to 4 minutes and then we'll check. So guys, the wait is over and this WhatsApp account receives a new message. Let's check what is in the message, and it is saying, hello Rahat Indori Saab, thank you for showing your interest in fashion and accessories. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our fashion store outlet. Okay, and this is the link of the brochure that we have attached. Let me open this also. And this is a PDF file attached here, and this is a kind of businesses brochure that we want to send to our leads. Okay, so that we can convert them into our customers and clients. Okay, so now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here on the WhatsApp account of my lead without any typing or manually compiling this message, just by filling the lead ad form here and submitting, and this WhatsApp account of our lead receives this message. So let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. Okay, so step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data of lead from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll generate a new lead from Facebook lead ads and collect the data of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the brochure to lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so finally we are going to send our business's brochure to the lead on his or her WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. Okay, so I will tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So first of all, in your internet browser, you have to type PABBLY, that is pabbly.com. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you have to put your cursor in this products option and click on Pabbly Connect. Now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. And I have already done this, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. And from this all apps section of Pabbly, you have to come to Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So now we are in the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. Okay, so to create a workflow, you just have to come here at top right corner and click on create workflow button. And here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. Okay, so I have filled the name as send business brochure to Facebook leads on WhatsApp. Okay, now click on create here. And you will see that your workflow is created, and after that you will see these 2 things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new lead generated from Facebook lead ads, and the action would be is to send the business's brochure as a new message on the WhatsApp account of the lead, right? So first of all, I have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Facebook lead ads, this one. And after that, click here on this trigger event and select new lead option. Now this connect button will appear, click on it. And from this window, select this add new connection and then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, and you can see the authorization is successful here and it started showing connected. Now we are connected with Facebook lead ads and it is asking the page's name. Okay, so the page we have created in our Facebook is this one. Let me show you, fashion and accessory shop. So you have to select this page from this list. So when you click on page field, you will see a list of all the pages that you have created in Facebook. So these are the pages that I have created in Facebook for different reasons. And this is my page, fashion and accessories, that I'm using. So I'm going to select this page. And you can see the lead generation form get automatically selected because we have only one lead ad form attached here, fashion and accessory shop. It is the name of the form. Okay. So in this field, you will find only one option. Okay. Now when I click here on save and send test request, it will bring the data of the most recent lead generated here in Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how it is going to happen. So I'm going to generate a new lead from this lead ad forms, and then we will capture the data of that lead. Okay, so I am opening my form again. This is the lead ad form, and now let me fill the details again. So this time let the name be Wasim Barelvi. Okay, and let me fill the number. So I filled the details here. Our new lead is Wasim Barelvi, and I'm going to click on next here and submit. Okay, right, so it is saying your test lead has been sent. So we have generated a new lead from Facebook lead ad forms. Now I'm going to click here on save and send test request, and you will see that the data will be captured here like this. Okay, so we got the data here in Pabbly Connect like this. Now it is time for our next step, which is to send the message to this lead on the WhatsApp account along with our business's brochure. So now you have to click on this action window, and from this choose app, you have to choose your application as 360 dialog. So now I'm going to tell you what 360 dialog is. Okay, so guys, 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's API. So to send messages on WhatsApp directly, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API. So that's why we are using 360 dialog application, right? Okay, so now in this action event, select here send template message and then click on connect. And from this window, if you are making the connection with 360 dialog for the very first time, you have to select add new connection. Okay, and then it will ask for these things, the API key and the domain. So to find these things, you have to go to a 360 dialog account and there have to generate a API key. So let me show you the process. So I am going to my 360 dialog account here. This is it. And guys, you can also set up your own 360 dialog account, and to do that I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very lesser prices than the usual prices they gave you. Okay, here I am going to click on WhatsApp accounts page, and here you can see we have this button showing generate API key. So by clicking on this key, you can generate your own API key. After that, copy that key and paste it here in this API key field right here. And while generating the key, you will get the domain also, which will look like this link here, right? So you have to copy that link and paste it here in this domain field, right? After that, click on save and you will be connected with 360 dialog. So guys, this task of generating the API key is one-time task only. Once you generated your own API key, you can use the same key to make the connection afterwards also with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and making the connection with 360 dialog by this process is also one-time task. Once you made a connection by this process by filling the API key and the domain, next time you can select this existing connection option. As I have already made a connection with 360 dialog earlier in a different workflow, so I can use this option, and now I just have to click on save and you can see will be connected with 360 dialog like this. Okay, it started showing connected here. Now it is asking for the template. So let me first tell you what are these templates. So I'm going to my 360 dialog account again, and here I'm going to click manage templates button. And these are the templates we have created here in 360 dialog for different purposes. And the template I am going to use for this task is, let me show you this one, send brochure final template. Okay, so here you have to create message templates first like these to send messages on WhatsApp. Okay, so to prevent spamming, you have to make templates like this and get it approved from WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook. Okay, so you can see this is the name of your template, and let me show you how you can make such templates. So you just have to come here and click on this add template button, and here you have to give a name to your template. You have to select the category of your template, right, and the language in which you are sending the message. Okay, and the template's type, and in this body field here you have to type the main message or the main body that you want to send to your customers or anyone, right? After that, click here on preview and submit, and your message template will be submitted, right? After that, WhatsApp's parent company will review your template and approve your template. So the standard time of template approval, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours. But in real time, it takes only 45 minutes to 1 hour to get a template approved. Okay, so once you got your templates approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp directly. And in my template, you can see we have this 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So guys, these are called body fields of the template. Okay. So guys, these are made to have the variables in our message. So you can see after hello, we are going to put the name of the person who have filled our Facebook lead ad form, right? And here we are going to enter the Facebook page's name or the business's name and the services we offer in this third body field and the link of the brochure. So guys, these are the things which needs to be changed with every new message. The name is going to change, the business's name can change, the Facebook page name can change. Okay, so to got these fields, body fields filled automatically in a message, you have to map the values of these fields here in Pabbly Connect in these body fields. So let me show you. First, select our template from this template field, and our template is send brochure final one, this one. Okay, so after selecting the template, you can see the namespace field and the language code is automatically filled up. And here in this recipient's mobile number field, you have to enter the WhatsApp number of your lead, which you got here in this second step. This is the number. Okay, so to have this number here, you just have to click on this field. You will find this Facebook lead ads option here. Click on it and you can see it will show you the same data that you have received in this second step, okay, where we have collected the data. So you will find the same data here. So just click on the WhatsApp number and the WhatsApp number is mapped here, right? And you have to remember that you have to fill this number in this format. The WhatsApp number must include +91, so that only so 360 dialog ask for the number in this format to send the messages. So remember to ask the number in this format only from your Facebook lead ads form. As you can see in my form, we have already attached this country code option here, so that whenever someone fills this number, we get the number in this format only. Okay, right. Now it is asking for these body fields that we have in our message template. So in the first field, we are going to have the name of the lead. Okay, so to get the name, you just have to click here, click on Facebook lead ads option and map the name from here only, like this. Okay. And in second field, thank you for showing interest. So you can map all other details like this only. So the things that you can map, or if you want to fill something manually, for example, let's say in this body field 4, we want to enter the link of the brochure that we have. So you can see this is our brochure and I have saved this brochure in my Google Drive. So here I am going to generate a shareable link by clicking on share. And now it is saying get link, and here it is copy link option. So I'm going to click on copy link and I'm going to paste this link manually here like this in this fourth body field, right? So similarly, let me fill all other body fields too. Now I have filled all other details also in these body fields, and when we click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered according to our message template in the WhatsApp account here of our lead. Okay, so let me click here on save and send test request, and you will see that it started showing this kind of response here, and we have received a new message also on the WhatsApp account of Mr. Wasim Barelvi, right? Let's check, and it is saying, hello Wasim Barelvi, thank you for showing your interest in fashion and accessories. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. Okay, and here is the link of the brochure and the website address, and here we have a note also, and it is saying please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Okay, so this is the note for the leads. So if they save your number in their contact list, this link will be clickable. Okay, so they can directly click this link and open this brochure that you have sent like this. Otherwise they have to copy the link and paste it in the browser. That will consume their time. So to make this link clickable, we have given this note. so that the users, the leads can save this number. So you can also put this note here in your message template like this. Okay. So the connection with WhatsApp is working fine here, and the workflow is completed. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected Facebook lead ads. Then we connected it and selected our page and captured the data of a new lead like this. After that, we connected 360 dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp. We selected the message template, filled the required details for the body fields in our message template, and when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that the WhatsApp message is here, right? Now you just have to click on save, and we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start automating your business instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.